Now, writing approach development course, as I promised you that on the 5th September, Chemistry Dice will launch two programs with many blessing to CSE aspirant with chemistry option. The first program is writing approach development program. As I told you in previous video, that this program is for those students who are preparing, undergoing self preparation, and for those students who already done my course, regular classroom program or recorded lecture program, but still facing difficulty in the answer writing. Because see, what is important in CSE exam? What you know is important. What you know is important, but how you express is more important. Expression is more important. This is more true about the second paper, that is organic and spectroscopy. Now a student expect a good marks, but they are at 120. And in paper 2, our students secure 182 marks. This year, 174 marks. So paper 2 is more scoring, but it need more focused writing approach. Similarly, in paper 1, logical, answer, derivation, numerical, direct क्वेश्चन, इवन डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज 10वीं क्लास से पता है, 12वीं से पता है इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज क्या होता है. व्हाट इज इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस 12th से पता है. हायर द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, हाई विल बी टेंडेंसी फॉर रिडक्शन, बेटर विल बी कैथोड. But how to represent this is more important. So, writing approach development program is focused on this. What is the program? What is the program? It is program for special focusing on the writing. DPP will be provided. Daily practice set will be provided. Whole week you write the answer through the revision. On weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 3 hour discussion on what is the model answer of this. We take a topic wise division. That is how many question, like in liquid state, we will take 5 question. 1 direct question, 1 logical explanation, 1 numerical, 1 derivation, 1 combined logical and derivation. In solid state, likewise, we will take 8 questions. We have divided this by analysis of previous year question. By analysis of previous year question, like phase equilibrium, 10 question, atomic structure, 20 questions, thermodynamics, 20 questions, F block element, 5 question. Bioinorganic, 5 questions. And through the question, we will discuss the model answer so that your comprehensive writing approach will increase. Whenever your writing approach increases, your time duration for answer writing will decrease. That is important. You have to manage the paper in 3 hours. अगर एक स्टूडेंट रिवीजन किया हुआ है, अच्छे से पढ़ा हुआ है, हम उसको सीएसई का पेपर दे दे, बोले 8 घंटे में लिखो, आराम से वो लिख सकता है. I am again saying that knowledge is important, but more important is how to express your knowledge in the 3 hours. Likewise, in paper 2, it is divided. Intermediate 10 questions, substitution 20 question, elimination reaction 10 question, rearrangement 15, addition reaction 15, reagent 15, spectroscopy 30 question practice. In complete, in the complete time frame of the 6 months, in the complete time frame of the 6 months, complete time frame of the 6 months, we will nearly do 200 questions for our model discussion. For our model discussion, nearly 200 questions. 100 from paper 1, 100 from paper 2. Now, a short notes of every topic is provided. Short notes. जो रेगुलर क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम भी करते हैं, उन स्टूडेंट्स को भी हम कहते हैं कि आप शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाओ, ताकि क्या हो, इन दी रिवीजन शॉर्ट नोट्स विल बी मोर हेल्पफुल. बार बार आप बुक नहीं खोल सकते, बार बार आप नोट्स में ढूंढ नहीं सकते. ए शॉर्ट नोट्स, व्हाट इज द शॉर्ट नोट्स? शॉर्ट नोट्स इज समरी ऑफ टॉपिक, summary of the important point of topic, like Bohr's model, assumption, formula of radius, energy, atomic spectra formula, de Broglie statement, formula, free case, forced case, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, formula, in various uncertainty, Schrodinger wave equation, formula, properties of wave function, postulate of quantum, expectation value of hydrogen atom, radii, potential energy, R square, particle in 1D box, formula, transition wavelength, formula. So these things are properly written in the short notes. Now, as I always say that evaluation, study, course study without evaluation is nothing. So for the evaluation, each month end, we have one full syllabus test. Test will be always full syllabus. 3 in paper 1, 3 in paper 2. That After the test, we have a thorough discussion कि क्या होना चाहिए था, क्या नहीं, क्या कमी रह गई आपके आंसर में, क्या क्या। आज मैंने 3 कॉपी चेक किया है अभी जस्ट पेपर 2 का। 1 स्टूडेंट 172, 1 स्टूडेंट 133, 1 स्टूडेंट 112 marks. What is special in 172 copy? That is the point of discussion. That is the point of discussion. So, this is the major outline of the writing approach development course. Now, it will be start from 7th of September at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. it will start. First topic will be covered, that is organic reaction mechanism, that is intermediate. First topic will be covered, intermediate. On Sunday, paper 1, atomic structure. So, a student, don't worry for the writing approach. Most students who are self-preparing due to any research, and they don't worry for the writing approach. Writing approach will be developed in the 6-month weekend course, followed by 6 full syllabus tests. So thank you and all the best. PDF of schedule, that is how many question will be covered in which section, will be provided along with the sequence in which we will undergo study.